What'd you say, Atlanta?
Free the brothers.
Free the doggies.
Free the brothers. Come on, man.
Hello everyone, Ganuchisanoke and welcome to my channel. The American musician Chris Brown was granted bail by Southwark Crown Court in London today, the 21st of May. He was ordered to pay a £5 million security fee, a financial guarantee meant to ensure his return to court, which may be forfeited if he breaches bail conditions. This follows his arrest on the 15th of May last week, shortly after landing in Manchester for his upcoming UK tour. Chris is accused of launching an unprovoked attack on music producer Abraham Diao at a London club in 2023. Now, this past Friday, the 16th of May, Manchester High Court denied Chris bail, citing that the assault case was too serious to be handled by a magistrate's court. A new date was initially set for 13 June 2025 at Southwark Crown Court in London, throwing his Breezy Bowl tour across Europe, scheduled for June to July 2025, into complete uncertainty. However, it seems his legal team managed to secure an earlier hearing, resulting in today's bail outcome. His bail conditions permit him to continue traveling to his international tour, but he may not use his passport for any other purposes. The judge also ruled that he must reside at a specific address, which must be submitted to the court. At least he was granted bail. I'm not saying he's innocent, but keeping him in prison for weeks over a case from 2023 that they've long been aware of, potentially sabotaging his tour, would have felt like finding him guilty before the trial. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.